Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Deuterium Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use NVIDIA Broadcast to remove noise from a recording. So, one of the limitations of NVIDIA Broadcast is that you can't really use it to process a file. So since it can only process the input from your microphone or any audio input device, you need a workaround. The only thing that you need, the only piece of hardware that you need is a 3.5mm audio cable. That's a male-to-male 3.5mm audio cable, and you need to connect it in your input, and that's the output and the input. So the 3.5mm audio cable just goes from here to here. So you're like linking your microphone output, no, your headphone output to your microphone input. Alright, so now that we have set up the hardware, it's time to remove the noise on a file. I have here an audio file where it's a bit noisy. Let's play it. Hey, what's up guys? This is a sample recording for this video. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Okay, so that's the file that we're going to use. Now head over to NVIDIA Broadcast. Make sure that your microphone source is the microphone that your motherboard is using. So that device is this one for me, microphone Realtek R Audio. Make sure your effects is set to noise removal, and then select the strength. I normally use this one about 80%. Make sure that this is on, and then head over to Audacity. Make sure that your microphone is NVIDIA Broadcast. You can verify that this is correct. Sometimes if it messes up, you just have to restart the application. Make sure it's NVIDIA Broadcast. The monitoring is on. You can verify if this is working when you play the file. The monitoring is going to show something. Hey, what's up guys? This is a sample recording for this video. Okay, so it's showing something. The levels are moving, meaning it's recording something. Now just hit record first. Wait, before you hit record, I forgot to mention, make sure that your audio output is set to speakers, because what we did earlier is that we put an audio jack in the speaker, in the headphone output, and then put the other end into the audio input or the microphone. Essentially what we're trying to do is that we're getting the headphone output of the computer to the microphone input. So we're just like putting it back in, because I can't find a way to do that programmatically. But if you know of any way to do that without using a cable, let me know in the comments. But this is the way that I found that works perfectly fine. We'll just lower it to maybe around 20%. And then record that again. Hey, what's up guys? This is a sample recording for this video. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Okay, so you can see that there's still some noise here. That shouldn't be there. We're going to do this again, but with increased strength on the noise removal effect. Hey, what's up guys? This is a sample recording for this video. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Okay, so this audio graph already looks okay. Let's listen to it. Hey, what's up guys? This is a sample recording for this video. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Okay, so we have successfully removed the noise off of a recording using NVIDIA Broadcast and Audacity. If you have any questions on how to do this method, just put a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you found this useful.